Today we are making tur dal fry. For making tur dal fry we need pigeon pea, lentils or tur dal half cup, 1 big chopped onion, 1 big chopped tomato, finely chopped ginger 1 tablespoon, finely chopped garlic 1 tablespoon, 10 curry leaves, 1 green chili, coriander leaves 3 tablespoon, red chili powder half teaspoon, turmeric powder half teaspoon, salt to taste, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, cumin powder 1 teaspoon, a pinch of asafoetida, mustard seeds 1 teaspoon, cumin seed 1 teaspoon, 2 tablespoon oil. For making tur dal fry, wash and clean the lentil for 2 or 3 times. And soak in enough water for 15 to 20 minutes. Take the pressure cooker and add 3 cups of water. Salt, turmeric powder, and switch on the gas. And add soaked dal. Close the lid of the pressure cooker. And pressure cook the tur dal for 1 or 2 whistles on a medium flame. It depends on water quality how many whistles you can give for cooking. After 1 or 2 whistles, switch off the gas. And keep dal in the cooker till the pressure releasing steam by itself. Then open the lid and Check the lentil by pressing it. If it gets mashed easily, then it will be soft enough. It means dal is cooked and ready. Let's make masala for making dal fry. Heat a pan and add ghee or oil. When oil is hot, then add mustard seed. When they start spluttering, then add cumin seed. Finely chopped garlic. Ginger. Saute for 1 minute. Curry leaves. Onion. And saute until onion gets light golden brown color. Then add chopped tomato. One-fourth teaspoon salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, mix well and roast the spices until ghee separates from it. Add asafoetida, green chili, mix well. When masala is roasted, then pour the boiled dal into the masala and mix well. At this stage, cook dal for 5 to 6 minutes by adding some water if required. I am adding some water. Half cup water. And cook dal for 5 to 6 minutes. And switch off the gas. Dal fry is ready. Garnish the dal fry. Some coriander leaves. Serve dal fry hot with steamed rice and chapati. You can make tur dal fry without soaking. If you soak tur dal, it gives better taste and take less time to cook. If you don't have chopped tomatoes, you can add tomato puree instead of chopped tomatoes. If you don't have pressure cooker, you can make this dal in kadai or pan. Soak dal for 45 minutes and cook until it gets mashed easily.